Alright, I'll be doing this green belt Paclock. It's a 100 alpha. See how we do. Alright, level medium tension. Feel for 1. 1 is not binding. 2 is not binding. 3 is not binding. 4 is binding. Gotta click on 4. 5 is binding. A little bit of a false set. And go to 6. Nothing on 6. Go back to 1. Nothing on 1. It is binding, but with a jiggle test, it feels like it's right spot. So 2. 2 feels right spot. 2. 3. 3 feels right spot. 2, 4, 5, and 6. Everything feels right. So I'm going to lighten up pressure a lot and go through them again and look for counter rotation. 2. Might have had a little counter rotation, so I lit up. 3. 3 has counter rotation, being real gentle. Got 3, and there it is. So it looks like when I open this, I'm assuming 2 and 3 have spools just from that counter rotation. All right, so we got, I'm not sure what that is in there. Let's try out. All right, so I'll leave this here. I'll bring this guy in here. I'll bring him in here. And we'll work on it. So I think probably could be a 7/64. Let's look. Nope, smaller than that. Let's try a 32nd. That works. This guy might be a millimeter. Let's go to 2.5. I've never taken this guy apart, so bear with me. Okay. Yeah, it's a 2.5. Okay. Okay. That's the core. Put it over here. This guy over here. Move him to here. Let's get started with it. All right. So let's take this off first. Okay, it's off. We don't need to keep it like this. I do have the key. Just put the key in. Okay, let's get a shim. Okay, follower. Okay, put this guy here for now. All right, let's go through left to right. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Not that guy. Put you there for now. Alright, so organize you a little. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Switch to here. Now that we're past there, we don't need the shim anymore. Alright. This is the frontal lock. Let's go one at a time. First one, serrated. Pin 2, edge of spool. Pin 3, edge of spool. Pin 4, edge of spool. Pin 5, edge of spool. Pin 6. Ooh, large. Anti-bump. Did not know there's anti-bump in here. Alright, so we'll give you a close-up. You'll see. Alright, so you're looking at, serrated, spool, 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 and anti-bump. Then you have a serrated keep in, not serrated, so standards, and then serrated for the rest. Not bad.